Binabati natin mga Pilipino na nag-show ng participation para masira ang record ng viewership, ang mga nanood sa The Arena natin. No? So, more than 38,000 ang nanood ng inauguration. So, binabati ko lahat, congratulate ko lahat mga Pilipino, kasama na tayo na na-break ang record. Pero siguro kung medyo mababa ang presyo niyan, mas maraming manonood dyan eh. So, yung mga naganap, ay congratulate natin lahat mga player for showing their sportsmanship at mga tao for being gentle. Okay. Iba-ibang kuro-kuro ngayon, no? Mga lumaglalabasan sa media. Balikan natin ang nakaraan, no? Na noong 1954, we must remember that our first time to participate in World Basketball, which is now called FIBA, no? FIBA World. Okay? 1954, first Asian nakapasok dyan sa third. Third place ang Philippines with Loizaga, no, as the most famous player during the time. And the team captain was Lauro Momar, the Fox. No? Okay, so congratulate natin. Isa lang yata ang buhay dyan eh. Ngayon, so, may they rest in peace. At si Loizaga ngayon was lately elected to the FIBA Hall of Fame. No? Congratulations lalo sa mga anak ni Loizaga, ni Carlos Loizaga, mga kaibigan natin yan. Sila Joey, Tito, Teresa.
Nandito lahat yan sa Sydney.
Okay, now, ano meron nun? Ba't sila nanalo? No? So, hindi na natin pwedeng ulitin yun. At wala pang Asian, no other Asian country, despite their height, their bulk, and their tattoos, were able to outmatch that, to break that record, third place. While Taiwan, o tawag doon Republic of China noon, Taipei, was fifth place. No? Alam ba, isa sa mga player ng Taiwan ay Filipino race here, pero Chinese citizen. Magugulat kayo sa pangalan niya, James Yap. So, ano naalala nyo kay James Yap? Okay, James Yap, player ng Letran. Okay.
James
At
Yap.
may mga ibang Filipinong, Chinese, 9, napasali ulit tayo sa FIBA Asia, FIBA World. So, naging first place sa consolation round by beating United Arab Republic. Okay. Dito, I want to recall that we were able to make it against the taller Arabs because of the ingenuity of Coach Baby Dalupan. Okay? Si Baby Dalupan, hindi katulad mga coaches ngayon, no? Ay genius siya, creative, innovative. Hindi ko ito nangyari yon, you follow the book like many coaches now, Ito, kayong alam rin ng iba yon kasi ang basketball is a science now. All your moves and also their moves. Your trainings are also their trainings. So it's a challenge for our coaching staff all over to be innovative. You have to be creative. And you can learn from the past. Alam niyo ginawa ni Baby Dalupan during that time, he was the coach. Pina 5'10", si Emilio Achacoso. Kasi dinaman-to-man sila Loizaga, si Marian Tolentino, si Bachman, malalaki yan. Minaman-to-man. Anong ginawa niya? Pinasentro. So nasa ilalim, isang 5'10", at magaling sa rebound to. Emilio Achacoso, Colossus of rebound. Siya saka nakita ang coach, pasesentro mo, 5'10", sila Loizaga, mga 6'3", yung iba 6'4", nasa labas. So ngayon, nalibra sila Loizaga, nakashoot from outside. So we won. Thanks to the ingenuity and of Coach Virgilio Baby Dalupan. Sana mga coaches natin ganyan ngayon.